Welcome to Project Insight. Today we'll be talking about zero work hour tasks and percent complete. This includes how percent complete and percent complete duration is calculated in Project Insight and how it weighs against the total percent complete of a summary task. Percent complete is weighed by level of effort. In Project Insight, this is work hours. So for example, if we take task percent complete summary as task percent complete work and task percent complete different work under it. Task percent complete work has 2 hours, whereas task percent complete different work has 80 hours. So let's see what happens if we mark task percent complete work as done. As you can see, task percent complete summary has changed to a completion percent of 2.44. This is because 2 hours is only 2.44% of the total 82 hours that task percent complete summary takes. Now if we take a task that has 0 hours and add it as a child task to task percent complete summary and mark it as complete, you'll see that no change has been made to the summary task total percent complete, as tasks with 0 work hours have 0 level of effort and thus have no weight. Now let's talk about percent complete duration. The percent complete duration column uses a completely different calculation than the percent complete column. This calculation is the task percent complete times the duration percentage, and then in order to get it rolled up, it divides it by the sum of all the duration days. So don't be fooled by the duration column here, saying that it's only 10 days. Because of the overlapping days, the total number that'll be divided by in each of these scenarios is going to be 20, because 5 plus 5 plus 10 equals 20 total days of duration. So just to demonstrate the point, I've put 0 work hours on a task, and then 10 and 8 hours on a task as well. But what we're going to look at instead is this percent complete duration column over here. I've added 20% completion on the first task, 80% completion on the second task, and 20% completion on the third task. What Project Insight does with this is that it uses the duration as the weighting mechanism, not the hours from the work hours. So if we take 5 workdays times 0.2 for 20%, that equals 1 day. Now if we take 5 days and multiply that by 0.8 for 80%, we get 4. And now if we take 10 days and multiply that by 0.2 for 20%, we get 2. So now adding all these together, 2 plus 4 plus 1, we get 7 total workdays. Now if we look up the total duration of these 3 tasks, we can see 5 plus 5 plus 10, so that equals 20 total days. So now if we divide 7 by 20, which is the total number of days, we get 0.35, so 35%. Now if we look at percent completion duration, we can see 35%. Now this is much different than normal percent completions, but it helps with weighing 0-hour tasks, as the 0-hour tasks will actually contribute to the weight with their days, rather than not being weighted at all. For more information about 0 work hour tasks and percent complete, as well as percent complete duration, you can refer to our existing videos and documentation on the Project Insight Help Center.